This brand is from Train Technologies and is sold by factory-authorized dealers in the USA. All of their units feature active carbon and antibacterial air filters for improved indoor air quality. They have coated coils for corrosion resistance, a durable powder-coated outdoor unit, and base pan heaters to prevent ice buildup in the units. The brand is backed by a good guarantee when promptly registered but uses R-410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as R-32. The M4THS17 are basic heat pumps, while the M4TCS17 units are cooling-only models, with both having a 17 SEER efficiency rating. The M4THS23 is a premium heat pump that has a 23 SEER cooling efficiency with an 11 HSPF heating efficiency rating. The M4THM15 units are multi-zone heat pumps that can serve up to 5 indoor high-wall units. They use electronic expansion valves, which are state-of-the-art refrigerant controls, but the brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.